Chapter 20 the present perfect tense ra the present yimbajla ra tu thadawa yimbajla ya perfect tense la ra present perfect tense la de khandis la tu che simba ra thandara che chas kaps ro ke ji de ro something na dis ra tu de ba la yang ju sum jang ra simba present simba on the present continuous and thanda de present perfect tense la chi thandara chao chas ro la kone dis ra thandaringa la Read these sentences. I have just written a letter to my grandfather. I have lost my pencil box. My father has gone to Kolkata. Roshan has lived in this house for 5 years. We have just arrived from Mumbai. Ta khare present perfect tense lady yippe khati chai dulana citizens lawyer de che khare thambodi I have just written a letter to my grandfather lady yipugola las ani to yige to yi chicha sis just written as I have just written tandaran sats che I have lost my pencil box na yi shanyu lo sa yi gamti lasons dine dia last la de tu tanda la chas My father has gone to Kolkata. Ni Nepala Kolkata la dutsa so. Roshan has lived in this house for 5 years. And Roshan the kambad na de ne lo khajuro na longa dores ratiyun rosh. We have just arrived from Mumbai. Anjo thandara tharsa ani Mumbai ne joris ra arrived from Mumbai ne jorin na Mumbai ne le bache den ne de le bache tor ko ra so this how my khating do chika thandara chi cha wa ra tan chi cha sto che ta din la khare thewa dulana have le de chi do have the has ni has thing anjo themba su yu ra nyong chi la phi chi right so thandara cha sun de shu gen ro shla de ro shla khwale ra pena ani have lost the has gone and res it is used to describe an action that has just been completed ya chi khare thangi nya la na shi call physician na chawa khashi chi ani thandara just been completed na thandara chawa chi ra thandara chawa ji chawa ji dishi ge na ani kharche so 거기 걸사디 야디 then the present perfect tense species then have arrived have written ra have arrived the have written igadi thandara sawodo shiche have lost the has gone igadi ani khare shugen hadi ra last sabadi didn't shugen hadi yodochi sumanya wadochi kochomen ra then it is also used to describe an action which began in the past and is still continuing has lived ya chi khara dik di khara chawa shi dishi gela chawa khande shi ya dishi ke phishi la na ani which began in the past chawa di go chu ye thu de ba na go chu ba la it's still going continuing thanda ye mithu ni ye ba de la ya anjo ye present perfect tense phishi pena has lived tangi kare pudi khambad na longa de sarla di ko thandaya deshin parushla kores dene we use has ta dinga sum rush dingo da chi kare shugen ha dewa je chi di thandara chawa ro she chi di ani kare to dewa no go zu wajla an thandaya mitu de dewa sindela simple perfect tense speech ra sorry present perfect tense dene ko dishiro kare we use has plus have verb plus singular nouns and pronouns such as he she and it ra da di dishiro khachelana has kanla and verb pumgres and singular means na and kogi means sabi ma chora pena he she it things it in negative statement we use has not or hasn't and kogi gacho kas pijiche kasla jesha dib gacho kas pijiche has not ta hasn't pijiche pena Mr. Roy has written a book ra she has finished her work Maya has not polished her shoes ra Maya gi tepshi tisares ra tisawa to shikochora dene morangi lang nale chashas ani Maya gi karam hangodi should khasa chida tangdus ra ta polish la nang ju jutsi ge jora de khos we use have plus verb with plural nouns and pronouns such as I you we and they ta ding an ju ha ko ta ko chola no min has the singular riba ta have the kare mansi ra plural nouns che and konjugi means apena I de che you de che we they lats yeah in negative statements la we use have not haven't tangi hasn't ba the haven't which yes you have drawn a lovely picture Saba and Sana have grown tall they have not torn this shirt ra da gare ko galare you have drawn a lovely picture kerang yi pic remu yabu shi was ani Saba da Sana niga pe chimbu chasha let ra rimbu chashas they have not torn this shirt gojogi ani kaza unjudi remindos rechamindu let remindu la ne khochumen ne exercise 1d use has or have with the words given to form sentences in the present perfect tense da khare has the have ni piji chiche ra die tsidin zonyam to la piji chiche ani khare kharchala tsirup di present perfect tense na la cha chidula ani has the have ni piji chiche os tsidin zonyam pena train leave platform la da di tsik tuk de to da di khachore tuk de me acha gonda di khaja ko chacha mar do tsirup di so da di present perfect tense na suena the train has left leave the kare today by de tsina so left the platform turns out was children dash finish their dinner konja chawachira the children ta khajire mangziro have finished eating their dinner father dash bake a cake palagi cake kuraj sobala kura bake lana ta nalo khala sodan ji mi ti ro the phale sowa dan de la bake le father michiro has baked a cake digera Samir dash paint a picture la Samir michiro has painted a picture dene ngawadi father dash bought the bus nalo la kazota zuala khojom do shembala che father has boarded the bus monkey dash eat the banana monkey has eaten rasa da ko pa la nya has eaten eat at eaten ba monkey has eaten the banana then you complete these sentences with the present perfect tense forms of the verbs in the brackets that's godana yube chazin zo present perfect tense na la switch the children have gone to bed ra go to the khasa chasi somebody kare to deba somebody gone ra mangsi chadura have gone I chila have visited edikera this museum before to dimdru khandi nya da ta drosa is donyu ye letter we dash live here for a year now we have lived here for a year now 다 다다바도 간서래 너 찍대사 이라 다 미티데이션 받고 the shop 지로 has opened ed recently 아니 성간에 니자랑 고치래라 I dash do my homework and am ready to play 다 가령 나래 사순 점제 저디나나 I have done did done ba done I have done my homework and I'm ready to play our parcel chiga has arrived by courier lana ansaki parcel kinye company chi chate ba company la chomen ki khende la ko che the train dash leave for Delhi already the train has left for Delhi already train the Delhi la thaya the Delhi doer the Delhi thaya Delhi la ani thaya sasos Inder dash watch many hockey matches with his father Inder has watched many hockey matches with his father Inder lady gi ankora gi palanyam dala hockey gi tsethi mambush ta sasos hockey la na tsethi minjra yuwa gi ball shwej to cricket me ache shimbash to then exercise 3D complete these negative sentences with the present perfect tense forms of the verbs in the brackets the guda ne yopegi chazi dinsos ani kharsa present perfect tense na chiche ani chatsi kasa chidu gasho na tishos ra gasho la zambala da member ka dira Maya has not seen the lion king na temuj mi che ra thoy mares ta mares puja ani khare michira has not met met chadora met my sister to mares I have not seen cd to deba see so seen I have not seen the Taj Mahal thomi mes Kedar has not hurted Dina hurted ranja in patrol this show dichera Kedar led michira hurt to debatatia hurt ko ranja chatra ko le yuwa mya hurt leg da sidila to debati ranja chatra so Kedar has not hurt his leg niki mares negachon pasata mato kesu mares we jela khare have chata we have not gotten gotten we have not gotten we haven't gotten our books tebra masons we have not gone to kulu la donyu mes